Mahavakasyas is Aham Brahmasmi. So what does it mean? It quoted that I am Brahman. So what does it mean? Consciousness and Brahman, how it is interconnected, how it is relatable with each other. So we need to know that consciousness has a very basic meaning in this practicality of life, which is the awareness. For example, that I am a human, so I am being aware that I am a human, right? बट थ्रू द पावर ऑफ माया, थ्रू द पावर ऑफ इल्यूजन, हम कुछ और ही कर रहे हैं, हम कुछ और ही रियलाइज कर रहे हैं. सो because in this practicality of life we all get divided in our own perception, because and divided in such a negative ways that I am Brahman. What does it mean? So Brahman का nature क्या है? सत चित आनंद. सत means the existence beyond space and time. For example, अगर कोई किसी इंसान की डेथ होती है, right? So डेथ के बाद they all get dissolved with the environment, right? In this nature. So क्या हमें वो चीजें दिख रही हैं जो डिसॉल्व हो चुके हैं? नो. Which is the eternal, because nothingness is eternal, formless is eternal, void is eternal, and this all world and this whole material world is originated from that consciousness. So consciousness means awareness. So universal consciousness क्या है? It is the pure, it is the void, it is the emptiness, it is the formless. So we came from that light, right? But we forget that. But वो light हमारे पास है, जिसे हम बोल सकते हैं I am Brahman. Why? I am not saying कि we are the God, because God वाली हरकतें तो है ही नहीं. So I am a God. I am not a God. I am a Brahman, right? So इसका कहने का मतलब क्या है कि I am a Brahman means Sat Chit Ananda. We are eternal. Our own self, our inner self is identical with the universal consciousness, means the Sat Chit Ananda. Sat means existence beyond space and time. Nothingness has the only characteristic of being independent, of being eternal. हम ह्यूमन तो डिपेंडेंट हैं, बट आर ओवर इनर सेल्फ, क्योंकि इट इज द जर्नी ऑफ इनर रियलाइजेशन. क्योंकि आउटर वाली तो एक दिन वी विल, हम यहाँ से जा चुके होंगे, बट दैट कॉन्शियसनेस हमेशा रहेगी दैट वी आर एटर्नल. We are nothing but we are the pure consciousness, and there are many processes to realize that thing, because the very basic thing to realize the raising your perceptions through your life experiences. Formation of waves in the ocean. So waves क्या है? Ocean का ही part है. हम ये तो नहीं कह सकते कि wave एक अलग तरीके से बना है या वहाँ कहीं और से उठ के आया है. No, because waves is a form of water, right? So waves का formation कहाँ है? Ocean में. So they both are identical, but उनके नाम एंड रूपा अलग अलग, उनके functions अलग हो गए, उनका